Hello and welcome to another tutorial on healthcare data analysis fundamentals in Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see how to categorize income. Let us assume that you have a pharmacy company with pharmacies spread throughout the country, and at the end of each month your manager sends to you the monthly income, and you want to categorize their income for those who have sold at least 100 million as category 1, and otherwise if any manager has sold less than 100 million, the manager will be categorized as category 0. So we're going to use the if function, and after that we are going to see the nested if function. So to begin, we just have to say equal if. We double click on the if function and then we click the cell. We say if this cell is greater than or equal to 100 million, give the value 1, otherwise give the value 0. So for the if function, it's a logical function that takes two values. If the cell is equal to or greater than or less than a number, then return this value. If not, return this other value. So we hit the enter key and then we autofill, and see that we have 1, 2, 3 managers who are in category 1. So we have Mary P, we have Edwin Flown, and we have Sonja Toa. These managers have sold more than 100 million in a month, so they are categorized as category 1. Now let us see the nested if function. For the nested if function, it doesn't take just two values. It can take multiple values. So you can say if you have sold greater than 100 million or equal to 100 million, you are in category 1. If you sold from 50 million to less than 100 million, you are in category 2. If you sold less than 50 million, you are in category 3. So in this case, we're going to use a nested if function. So we're going to modify the formula. If B2 is greater than or equal to 100 million, you give the value 1. So we can delete that, say comma, say if this same B2 is greater than 50 million, give the value 2, comma, if. So we use the if function multiple times, and that's why we have the nested if function. If this same cell is less than, in this case, is less than 50 million, in this case it should be greater than or equal to. The second case will be greater than or equal to 50 million, and in the last case it is strictly less than 50 million, we give the value 3. And recall that we have opened the brackets 3 times, so we have to close it 3 times. So we'll do this, hit the enter key. Once we hit the enter key, we autofill. And once we do that, we'll see that the various managers and how much they have sold. So this can actually help you to see how your company is running. For example, you will know that for this case, this manager, John Doe, Maxwell Joe, and all the others who are in category 3 have sold less than 50 million in a month, while the others have sold between 50 million to 99 million, and then those who category 1 have sold greater than 100 million. So this can actually be very, very handy when you are running multiple stores, so that you can know where to allocate more resources. And the same formula can be used for customers to see how many customers have come into the shop in the course of the month. You might be surprised that the person in category 2 might have received more customers than category 1, which means the few customers who came actually bought more medication, or medication that cost much money than from the other store. That is why few customers rather takes the pharmacy to category 1, why more customers can take another pharmacy to category 3. Okay, let's go on. So equal to if, so we are here. If this cell, let's say if you have 300 customers and above, you are in category 1. Greater than or equal to 300, you give the number 1, comma. If this same cell is greater than or equal to, let's say 100, give the number 2, comma. If, double click, this same cell is strictly less than 100. So if you have less than 100 customers in a month, we are in category 3. Then we close our brackets. We'll hit the enter key. And then we autofill. So you'll find out something's tuning here. Okay, there's nobody in category 3, so there's nobody that had less than 100 customers in a month. Okay, we see that this manager, let us see his name, Edwin Flown. Edwin Flown, by level of income, is in category 1 because he sold more than 100 million. But at the categories of customers, he's in category 2. So less customers, more income. Means a few customers who came into this pharmacy bought medications that cost much money. So these are some of the things, the dynamics that you can see in business. So thank you so much for watching. You can actually use this video and in any other sector apart from health. It could be your business, it could be a shoe shop, your clothes shop, or whatever shop you have. You can track your income, your daily income, and you can categorize it. Maybe you have a target, a daily target. If you sell more than 150,000, then that day is category 1, so that you can know the number of days in a month that you reach your target. And maybe if you have not reached your target more than 15 days in a month, that is more than half of the month, then you may consider doing some marketing, maybe social media marketing, or telling many people about your business and things like that. So thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.